So we have this website with a text area. Inside the text area, I can see we have JavaScript code with the encrypted flag inside it. We have to trigger this JavaScript code to find our flag. This is the Bookmarklet CTF challenge of picoCTF. The description says, why search for the flag when I can make a bookmarklet to print it for me? So the challenge is fairly straightforward. We need to bookmark this code to find our flag. I can see the website says this too. Here's a bookmarklet for you to try. Now before we bookmark this code, let's see how this website works. I'll right click and click on view page source, and I can see inside the HTML code we have inline JavaScript code. This part is not important. This is the text area so that we can easily copy the code. So if I click on the code, it will be copied to the clipboard. So this code handles that. This is the main part. This is the code inside the text area. It starts with a JavaScript prefix. This tells the browser that this code is for Bookmarklet. Next we have the immediate invoke function. This function will immediately run the code when clicked. Next we have the encrypted flag, the key to decrypt the flag, and a decryption for loop which will decrypt our flag and finally give us a pop-up with the flag. So now that we understand how this code works, let's first bookmark this website by clicking on the star icon here and then clicking on save. Now the website is bookmarked. If I open another tab and open the application menu and click on Bookmarks, I can confirm my website has been bookmarked. If I click on the website, it takes me to the website, so it is working as expected. Now let's copy the code and again open the application menu, click on Bookmarks. If I right click on the website and click on Edit Bookmark, I can see earlier it took me to this URL. I'll change this URL to my code and click on Save. Now I will again click on this and click on Bookmarks and trigger the function by clicking on this, and I can see we have a pop-up with the flag. There is another way how we can trigger this pop-up. I'll copy the code, right click and click on Inspect. When our DevTool opens up, click on Console and paste my code and press Enter, and I can see we have the pop-up with the flag. I'll copy this, paste it and click on Submit, and we were correct. So we are going over the Web Exploitation CTF challenges of picoCTF. So if you wanna follow along, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.